Hello. In this video, I will be taking you through the calendar feature of the BetterStory marketing system. I will show you how to connect an account, connect your calendars, and set up your calendars both for booking and how to check for conflicting dates across multiple calendars within the system. To connect your calendar to the BetterStory marketing system, first log into your account and then come to Calendars, go to Calendar Settings, Connections, and then here you will be able to choose between Google, Outlook, and iCloud calendars. In this example, I'll be connecting a Google Calendar. Within this, you can either choose your personal or even a business account through Google. We highly recommend using a Google business account. That way, all of your communications and everything will show your business name and not be flagged as potentially sending spam messages or things from a personal account. To connect your account, click Sign in with Google. Then you will choose the account, approve the connections. If you have a business account, it will show up in this final menu. If not, just click Close. Once you see the connected sign here, you know that your account is now connected to the calendar system. If you signed in originally with your business account, you can later go in and add a personal account just for the calendars to make sure that nothing is conflicting, and you can do that simply by clicking Sign in with Google and then choosing your personal account from here. In order to create a new calendar, simply come to Calendars, Calendar Settings, and then select Create Calendar from the top right. Here you will be given a variety of options, and you can choose one based on your needs. For this example, I'll use Simple Calendar. So choose the one that you want, and then here you can add all of the description and details for that specific calendar. Once you have chosen which type of calendar you would like to use, give it a name. If you want a description, you can add it here. You will want to come up with a custom URL. If the name is already taken within the system, it will remind you and you'll have to select a new one. You can set the meeting duration between minutes and hours. You can set the times, and this is for booking availability. If you have a physical location or a Google Meet or some other digital conferencing link, you can simply add it here. Click Confirm, and your calendar will show up here. If you need to make further edits to a calendar, just come to the three gray dots and then select Edit. Here, you can make changes to the availability. If you have a form or payment option that is going to be incorporated into the calendar, you can add that here. You can change the notification settings. You can link to an individual calendar. You can just select from a drop-down menu of all your available calendars, and there's other customizations also as well. Once you're finished, just click Save, and all of your edits will be saved. To be able to set your hours of availability and to make sure that none of your calendars have conflicting days, navigate to My Profile, scroll to the bottom, and here you will have available hours, and you can adjust this to any time or days of the week that you need. Once you've finished, select Update Availability. To choose which calendar will be your primary, just select Edit, and then choose from whichever calendars are available that you would like to be the primary calendar for your system. Once you are done, select Save, and then you can come to the bottom, and if you have multiple calendars within your system, you can set them up to make sure that there are no conflicting days or potentially appointments that get scheduled in one and missed in the other. A helpful feature within the calendar settings is setting calendars into groups. For instance, if you have multiple products and maybe multiple different booking sessions, you can create different calendars for each product that you serve. You can keep track of all of your calendars as well as then determine who will be notified based on each appointment. I hope you find this video helpful and enables you to utilize the calendar system within the BetterStory marketing system. Have a nice day.